Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change YouTube Shorts thumbnail. So basically if you open your YouTube or YouTube Studio and then post a YouTube Shorts here, you cannot see a YouTube thumbnail section where you can add or create your own YouTube thumbnail. It should be in the video itself. So as you can see here, this is the YouTube Shorts that I want to upload. If I tap next here, then I can see add details. In order for me to change the thumbnail, this is my YouTube Shorts thumbnail. You just have to click this pencil icon right here. And then you have to locate that section or place of the video where you want this to set as your YouTube thumbnail, because there isn't any feature or option here where you can add a YouTube thumbnail for your shorts. So what I'm doing right now is I'm looking for the perfect thumbnail for my YouTube shorts here. So you can choose this one and then tap done, then you will see the result right away. If you want to change it again, you just have to click the pencil icon and locate that specific picture or thumbnail that you like. Once you're okay, click done and you will see the result again. So this is how you easily change YouTube Shorts a thumbnail. No need to do anything because there is no other option or ways to change your YouTube thumbnails for your shorts. If you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.